stop. Before you scroll away, I need you to hear something you've been avoiding for months. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are addicted. And somewhere deep inside, you already know it. Every single day you open your phone with a promise. Just 5 minutes. And 2 hours later, you're staring at the ceiling, wondering where your life went. That's not laziness. That's not a bad habit. That's your brain being hijacked, one dopamine hit at a time. And if you don't fix this today, this exact pattern will follow you into your 30s, your 40s, your entire life. So sit with me for the next few minutes, because by the end of this video, you're going to have the exact system that ends this addiction for good. Let's start with the truth nobody tells you. 1. Name the enemy. Most people fail because they never admit what's actually happening. They call it just relaxing. They call it just checking notifications. They call it just watching one video. But underneath every single one of those excuses is the same enemy: dopamine addiction. Your brain has been trained to crave instant stimulation, and now anything slow, anything boring, anything real feels unbearable. That's why books feel hard. That's why silence feels uncomfortable. That's why deep work feels impossible. You have to say it out loud. I am addicted. Because you cannot defeat an enemy you refuse to name. The moment you admit it, the war actually begins. 2. The 72-hour reset. Your brain doesn't change overnight, but it starts changing in 72 hours. For the next 3 days, you cut everything artificial. No social media, no short-form videos, no random scrolling, no entertainment overload. Just work, movement, and silence. The first day will feel like torture. Your hand will physically reach for your phone out of habit. That's normal. That's your brain detoxing from constant stimulation. By day 2, the noise starts to quiet down. By day 3, something strange happens. Boredom stops feeling like an enemy and starts feeling like peace. This isn't a rule. This is surgery on your own mind. 3. Control your environment, not your willpower. Here's what nobody tells you about addiction. Willpower is the weakest tool you have. If temptation is one tap away, you will eventually tap it. So stop relying on willpower and start controlling your environment instead. Delete the apps that trigger you. Turn your phone grayscale. Put your phone in another room while you sleep. Block the sites that pull you back in. Your environment is either working for you or against you. There is no neutral. Discipline isn't about being strong enough to resist temptation. It's about being smart enough to remove it completely. The strongest men on earth didn't win through willpower. They won by never entering the battlefield in the first place. 4. Replace the urge. Don't suppress it. When the urge hits, and it will hit, suppressing it head-on almost never works. What works is replacement. The second you feel that pull, stand up immediately. Do 20 push-ups. Splash cold water on your face. Walk outside for 2 minutes. An urge is not a life sentence. It's a wave. It rises, it peaks, and within 15 minutes, if you don't feed it, it collapses on its own. But the moment you sit still and let your mind wander, you've already lost. Movement kills urges because your body cannot be in fight mode and comfort mode at the same time. Train yourself to move the instant temptation appears, and you take away its power completely. 5. Fill the empty hours before boredom fills them for you. This is the step almost everyone skips. Addiction doesn't attack you when you're busy, focused, or working towards something. It attacks you in the empty hours, the idle evenings, the moments when you have nothing planned and nowhere to be. That silence is exactly where old habits creep back in. So you have to prepare before boredom arrives. Keep a book ready. Keep a workout planned. Keep a skill you're learning, a side project you're building, a goal that demands your attention. An idle mind doesn't stay empty for long. It fills itself with whatever is easiest to reach. Make sure the easiest thing to reach is growth, not destruction. 6. Protect your mornings and your nights. Addiction has two doorways it walks through most often. The first hour after you wake up, and the last hour before you sleep. In the morning, if you reach for your phone immediately, you hand over your mental clarity before the day even starts. At night, if you scroll in the dark right before bed, you feed the exact same loop that keeps you stuck. So lock both doors. No phone for the first hour of your morning. No screens for the last hour before sleep. Replace those windows with movement, reading, or silence. Whoever controls your first hour and your last hour controls the entire pattern of your life. Now here's what you need to understand. This isn't about becoming perfect overnight. You will slip. You might fail on day 2, day 10, even day 30. That doesn't mean the system failed. It means you're human. The difference between the man who stays stuck and the man who breaks free isn't that one never fails. It's that one gets back up in minutes and the other gives up for months. Every time you catch yourself and correct course, you're rewiring your brain a little more. Every rep counts, even the messy ones. Understand this too. Addiction thrives in secrecy and silence. The more you hide it, the more power you give it. The moment you speak about it, even just to yourself in complete honesty, its grip starts to loosen. Shame keeps men stuck far longer than the addiction itself ever could. You are not the first man to fight this battle, and you will not be the last. But most men never fight back at all. They just accept the leash and call it normal life. You already clicked on this video, which means some part of you refuses to accept that. So here's your mission, starting today. Name the addiction out loud. Give yourself 72 hours of a full reset. Remove temptation from your environment instead of fighting it in real time. Replace every urge with immediate physical movement. Prepare your idle hours before boredom prepares them for you. And lock down your first hour and your last hour like your entire future depends on it. Because it does. This isn't about willpower. This is about rebuilding the architecture of your mind, piece by piece, day by day, until the old version of you simply doesn't recognize the new one. The life you keep dreaming about is not waiting on the other side of motivation. It's waiting on the other side of discipline you build when no one is watching, when no one is checking, when it would be so easy to just give in one more time. This is the moment that decides everything. Not tomorrow, not Monday, right now. If you're done losing to your own mind and ready to take back control, comment, "I'm ready," and subscribe to The Mind Unlocked, because this is where real men are built.